to MK. We are gonna do. We're gonna do play. So
Play.
Yeah, play. And this guy.
See, there's play right there.
Yeah.
Where'd you buy it?
Look at this. And Michael's. Yeah, we are gonna do it right there. So it has different kinds of colors. Look. Now we're gonna open it.
What kind of color do they have?
Oh, it has purple, blue, green, yellow, black, gray, light brown, white, darker brown, red, orange, lighter brown. So I have to go poo. I'm right here. I'm not locking the door.
Hey, Kevin.
So I opened it. Now we're gonna get the play. Ooh, this is so cool. We're gonna take this out. So just do yellow,
Yeah, that's how you do it.
green,
Uh-oh.
purple,
Sorry, there you go. Try again.
green,
Yeah.
purple. No, I should do purple. Golden. Like, how can I say golden? Light brown again. And the final one, gray. Okay, now we're gonna play. We're gonna make a Pokeball. Yeah, I'm gonna start with Pokeball. No, wait. So, we're gonna make Slimer. Yeah, I'm gonna make it.
What color is Glimmer?
Purple.
Okay, let's do it. And what kind of Pokemon do you want to make?
Pikachu.
Okay.
It's what? Pikachu yellow. Can I can find. They're like okay. I'm gonna break this. It's easy to break. Yeah, okay. So we have one piece. See this? It is so hard. I have to make, like squish it or something.
Okay, he's making a snowman.
This is taking super long. I'm late. So what's the? So what do you need?
What kind of animal is that?
It's Pikachu. That's
Pikachu?
not
Okay.
animal.
Where's the Pikachu's face?
Pikachu.
Where's Pikachu's tail?
Where's his eyes? His eyes are inside because he don't want to see it. Where's his tail? His tail don't need.
What color is Pikachu?
Yellow. Yeah, I know. I'm looking. This is super hard. I need something different. Here, put it here. Oh wait, I got an idea. This. Now time to make red. I know what I'm making. No, don't. Later. Oh yeah, I need a lot of black for that. I need the squish it because the teapot has to. I'm making the bottom. A teapot? Yeah, I'm gonna squish. I was trying to do something down there. Time to one there. And spread it out. Oh, this is getting super squishy a little bit. Now I have to start all over again because it doesn't work. Let's get all the white out. Slappy, kitty. I make a teapot. Squash. The tiniest teapot ever.
Play clay in the oven. That's gonna heat up and bake the
It has a handle.
handle, and it's got something.